if no further question, let me continue. So, in fact, how about if we have a P persistent working with CD? Same, you need to have step 3. All right, you need to have step 3. Even, okay, idle, then we can try with a probability P. All right, and busy, then what to do? Even right now, not the whole algorithm like this, but we still can include collision detection into a specific version of CSMA. At this moment, we use one persistent. So, idle then transmit, waiting for idle then transmit. But if we have the collision, we need to stop. So, we have cease transmitting. So here we have the illustration. So look at this. If we have the time axis, starting from a time axis t sub 0, and actually we have the transmission. Once we have a transmission, it says, okay, so we need to have a propagation. Right now, we think this is a propagation time to the current point. And then we have the station B to transmit. And station B to transmit, possibly we have tau. So why is tau minus epsilon here? It says, oh, okay, we have the whole time, but we assume at this time instant we start the transmission by station B. All right, and when we will have a collision, actually, right now it says, okay, still need to have the propagation to reach B. So currently B think, okay, I don't receive any messages, so right now it's still okay. But it says, okay, t sub 0 plus tau, so it can reach station B. And also, okay, give me a time. The time is tau CD, collision detection. Oh, okay, I receive it, so I realize some station want to transmit. So A and B know each other. So at this moment, B knows collision. If you have a more time plus tau CD to detect. And when A detects collision, it says, you see, we have propagation tau. All right, so you say propagation tau again, so tau again. All right, so tau again, so we have a 2 tau and minus this because when to transmit this one. And in fact, we should have the detection, so we have the detection at this. And here it says, oh, okay, maybe we have some actual time, so maybe the current time perhaps is the actual time. All right, so it doesn't mean we need to have the actual time, but at least we need to have the collision detection time. All right, so at least we have a tau plus detection time. So here, tau plus detection time. So it should be this one, exactly. But currently we have the actual time here, but you can skip it. So look at this. We have a tau 0 plus tau CD to have the time required for collision detection. And likewise here, plus tau collision detection. So we have a 2 tau and 1 detection time. So this one actually, it won't be necessary. So here it says, if we have a propagation time, when we can have the exact time to detect a collision here. First one, because for A to transmit for a while, and then we stop the transmission. So we know a bit later. And likewise, we have the detection by station A a bit maybe more time to detect it, and this later than this if we have time to start a bit slow, but allow station A to transmit for a long time. Well, so we have this, and actually when to stop the transmission for station A, actually when the time here, A will stop transmitting the time. So detect collision, all right, before the end of the transmission. So actually we have this. It says collision. So we have the longest time here, and then A stop. But for B, it stopped immediately here, and the A stopped around the time here. All right. So for the others, actually, we can investigate throughput for slotty version. So actually, we know pure version not so good, so we will prefer slotty version. And how about here? You see, previously I didn't have a CSMA CD with one persistent. Right now, you can have 9 persistent working with CSMA CD as well, and so that we have the corresponding performance. And actually, you can check this. The ratio is tau over t, and it's 0 and the other value. So we have the throughput like these trends. Of course, we should have the formula, then we know how to have the performance. So this one actually we check it, but we don't know the detail. If you want to know the detail, you can check the supplements.